What if I told you there's a DeFi platform that combines innovative yield farming, stablecoin optimization, and leverage strategies to maximize your returns? That's right, today we are dive deep into Extra Finance, a project that's making waves in the DeFi ecosystem with its powerful features and explosive growth. Whether you are new to DeFi or a seasoned pro, you will want to stick around because I will show you how extra finance could be your ticket to the higher yields and smarter strategies. So let's get started. Extra Finance is a next generation DeFi platform built on Optimism and Base, both Ethereum Layer 2s. They are designed for both active traders and passive investors. Its total value locked, or TVL, has surged to over $155 million recently. And why? Because it's packed with features that leverage yield farming, lending, staking, and bridging. Let's break it down. One of Extra Finance standout features is leverage yield farming. This lets you boost your exposure to liquidity pools with up to 3x leverage. But it's not just about leverage. You can customize your strategy to be market neutral, long, or short depending on how is your risk appetite and profile. With tools like one-click farming templates and a yield farming simulator, Extra Finance make it easy for users to plan and execute their strategies effectively. Plus, it's designed to optimize performance for stablecoin and liquid staking token pools with pseudo-fixed interest rates, minimizing borrowing costs and boosting your farming APR. And let's talk about staking. Extra Finance staking program offers an APR of up to 69% paid in extra tokens. Locking your token also gives you governance rights and access to farming utilities. It's a win-win for those who want to earn while supporting the platform. But that's not all. Extra Finance also offers lending pools for passive income. You can deposit assets like USDC, Ethereum, Velo, Virtual, Arrow, Extra, and many more tokens to earn competitive interest rates. The platform's TVL growth indicates strong users' trust, and with their pseudo fixed interest model, you can enjoy reduced rate volatility. One of the things I love most about Extra Finance is its simplicity. Whether you are farming, staking, or lending, the interface is intuitive and the analytics tools give you a real-time insights into your positions. They have even been audited by BlockSec and PackShield for added peace of mind. Before we go any further, I have got something special for you. If you are serious about DeFi and want to take your trading to the next level, sign up for the TradingView using my referral link in the pinned comment below. You will get a $15 discount on any plan that you choose, which is an essential tool for tracking trends and strategies. And also, don't forget to grab my DeFi ebook. It's packed with advanced strategies for staking, yield farming, and much more. Both links are in the pinned comment below. Supporting these links directly helps this channel, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Now let's talk about numbers. Extra Finance TVL has grown steadily, crossing the $155 million mark. The RC indicator, that is the Heikin-Ashi RSI oscillator, shows consistent market interest, and moving averages point to the long-term growth stability. I'm sure that Extra is not just hype, it's a well-structured project with a solid community and team backing it. So why should you consider Extra Finance? In my opinion, it's versatile. I use it every week. It's user-friendly and optimized for both passive income and active trading. With its innovative features and transparent operations, It's no wonder it's gaining so much traction into the DeFi space as we see in the TVL growth. If you have made it this far, thank you very much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any daily future videos. Extra Finance is shaping the future of DeFi, and this is just the beginning. Let's keep growing, keep earning, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one.